Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. If you're into plant content, then please do consider subscribing because that's what this channel is all about now. Alright, so in this video, I'm here to talk to you guys about how to propagate your Syngonium. Okay, whatever Syngonium it is that you have, this one's just a white butterfly. They're pretty much propagated in the same way. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is identify if there are any aerial roots from the growth of the Syngonium. Okay, so this one actually vines out eventually. At the moment it's just bushing out, but I will show you guys a short clip of how a aerial root of a Syngonium looks like. So it's just down there. Okay, now if you guys notice that there are, then you are actually able to then cut just 2 centimeters down below from there and then pop that cutting straight into water. Okay, once you pop it into water or some sphagnum moss like what I have here, okay, I've got heaps of them, then you can actually then root them. So as you can see right there, there are some roots actually coming off it now. All right, so I've actually initially popped this in water and then sphagnum moss, but at the moment it's just in sphagnum moss and this one's pretty much ready to be potted up. So here is the update of my potted up Syngonium white butterfly. So as you can see, it's flourishing quite well, and I've actually potted that up in my indoor potting soil mix. If you want to see that video, then please click on the link down below. I will link it down, and I've just put some sphagnum moss just on top of it just to keep the moisture in and also keep some of the fungus gnats out. And as you can see, the roots have actually started to grow down below. So there you go, that's how you propagate a Syngonium. So if you found that video useful, then please click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos, then please hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.